Starting from scratch sounds like creative freedom, until you're 3 hours in and still picking fonts. That's where templates come in. Kirki's templates aren't just pretty starting points. They come with a polished design and structure out of the box. CMS already connected for dynamic content. Design variables set up for consistency. Interactions built in to keep things engaging. And fully responsive layouts across every device. With templates, everything is ready to go. You're not building from zero. You're building from a solid base. And you still have complete flexibility to make it your own. In this video, we'll walk through how to choose the right template and customize it to ship your site. Let's get into it. There are 2 steps to finding the right template, and the first one doesn't even require Kirki installed. Head over to kirki.com/templates. The full library is right there. Browse, explore, take your time. When something catches your eye, select it, and you get a live preview of how it actually looks and behaves in the front end. If you want to check how it holds up across different devices, then hit the preview button, and you see the full picture across every screen size. Now, you know how stunning it looks in the front end. But here's where it gets interesting. If you want to see how it's actually built and reassure yourself that it fits your purpose, then hit Open in Editor, and the entire template opens up inside Kirki's editor. From here, you can see how things are layered, how the design is structured, how the content is arranged, how the brand tokens are linked, the interactions, and everything. You can even tweak styles right there just to see if it truly matches your vision. Explore as long as you need until you feel it's the right one for you. Now it's time to make the template fully yours. Once Kirki is installed, there are a few ways to get to the template library. From the Kirki dashboard under Use Template, from the template icon on the bottom left panel, or directly from the right panel inside the canvas. Whichever way you go in, it all leads to the same dedicated template library. Inside, the templates are sorted by categories: agency and corporate, health and fitness, photography and fashion, and many more. Whichever fits your niche, filter it down, and only the relevant templates show up. The library keeps growing, so there's always something new to explore. And if you already know what you're after, just search for it. Once you've made your pick, select it, and you'll see a final preview appears before you commit. The full look, the breakpoints, everything. When you're ready, hit the Use This button. The next screen gives you the full template overview. Core site settings, reusable components, number of pages, total collections, and the corresponding entries count, and the total entries as well. All laid out before you pull the trigger. Now, hit Proceed and watch everything come in. Within moments, the full template is live inside your editor. You can now personalize the template and customize until you make it your. To update your brand colors, head over to Variables and swap in your own tokens. You can also add new tokens as needed, so any changes you make here are instantly reflected across the entire template. What would have taken hours of manually assigning brand tokens one by one is done in seconds. Next up is updating web copies, and it's just as simple. You can edit any text directly from the editor, like changing a title or headline. You can also update components, and it's just as easy as you saw with the navbar. And for dynamic content, Kirki's Content Manager handles that seamlessly. Take this food menu as an example. Whatever you update in the Content Manager reflects on the front end automatically. And like that, once you've swapped in your brand tokens, populated your collections, updated your copy, and everything else, the design, structure, flow, and layout is already there, working for you. That's the power of starting with a template. So by now, you know how to explore templates before installing Kirki, preview them live and inside the editor, import a full kit in just a few clicks, and customize everything to match your vision. That's the power of Kirki templates. Full flexibility and a solid base that saves you hours from the scratch works. In the next video, we're going deeper into more concepts and better workflows. See you in the next one.